Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix Windows 11 update problem. So if you're trying to update your Windows 11 but it is not happening, maybe because of the issue or you're having some trouble, and I'll show you how it can be fixed. So first you have to simply go to the search bar and then you have to search for the run command. After that, you have to type services.msc and click on OK, and then this window will open. From there, you have to first select any one of these, and after that, you have to press the W so you can go to the Windows update. There's so many options, so you have to simply find the right one. In our case, this is the Windows update, so simply find it. What you can do is you can click onto it, press the W, and you will find all of the W options. Within that, we will find the Windows update, or you can simply do it any other way. Once you have find it, do a right click, click on properties, and after that, in the this option, you have to simply select the option which is the automatic. Once you have selected, after that, you have to simply click on OK. By doing that, the issue will be resolved on its own. The only thing will be left is that you have to do a quick restart of your system. So that's how you will be able to fix the update problem in your PC. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.